Hello everyone, this is Lei. Good to see you again. Today I got 3 boxes of chainsawman. As you can see, I don't really have chainsawman cards, only 2, denji and power from one of the series, but I don't really like the design, so I didn't purchase much. So I saw these chainsawman cards. I've never opened it before. The producer is Fate in Chinese word, so probably from China. Well, let's take a look at the cards. From what I know, there are 11 types of rarity for this series. The most common one is the rare card, and that is the most rare one. I think it's called LXP. We shall take a look later. So in this box, there are only 5 cards. Well, let's take a look at the cards. And as usual, good luck. Good luck to everyone. Good luck to myself. Texture of the box is quite nice. Let's take a look. I've never opened this before. Not sure how the card will look like. Okay. Wow. This the first card is a SSR. SSR is a better card. Wow, nice. Okay, so each box looks like that. The cards are very thick. Very thick material. There are 5 cards only. So this first card, the SSR card. Wow, I quite like the design. Okay, this is a SSR card. See the other one. Wow, this is a ZR card. Wow, ZR card is the poster type design. It's a denji and pochita. Oh, actually all the cards look very nice. This is a SR card. SR card is a drawing design cards. Drawing or comics. Wow, nice. This is okay. Coming to this is a R card, the most common rare card. Does look very nice as well. This is a QR card. QR card is the cube version. So wow, each box has different type of cards. Very nice. I think it's very cute. Cube version of denji and pochita. Let me just put them up to make it nicer. Okay. The first card is a QR card, the cube version. Same as the first box. This is a rare card. Oh, this is you. Nice. This is the SR card, the manga type. Oh, this is wow, fierce chainsawman. This is a CM card. This is a CM ZR card. ZR card is the poster type design. This is nice. Wow, okay. Another SSR card, chainsawman. So we have 2 of the same cards in the second box. Let's take a look at the third box. Okay, the first card is wow, it's also chainsawman. This is a rare card. The rare card looks nice. This is QR card. Oh, the 3 good friends. QR card is the cube version. The cube version. Nice. Put here. Okay, this is an SR card, which is the manga type. ZR card. ZR is the poster types. Alright. Okay. This one is a SSR card. Also Chainsaw Man. But well, I can't really see clearly what design it is. Can we see? Are you able to see? Looks very dark. Okay. It's a better card, but looks very dark. Oops. Okay. Yeah. Looking at it, I think there are many type of cards I'm not able to get, which is I think more rare card. At least there are 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are at least 5 type of rare cards. Maybe probably they are more rare and more difficult to get. These are the more common ones, but overall they look very nice. So let me know if you like the card as well. If they are nice, please remember to give a like and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.